Hi, I'm Dave Bigger and I'm one of the co-founders and owners of Cure Marine. Through my love of manufacturing and everything digital and adventure, Tony and I created a relationship a couple of years ago when I finished building my scratch-built carbon fibre aircraft. And this fella with a rich history in aviation and flying fighter jets came along and said, mate, I'm happy to test fly that. I guess through the last few years of flying planes and mucking about adventuring, we've sort of formed the Cure 55. Tony is now the owner of hull number 155. Let's go for a walk through the shed today and have a look at the first pieces of the carbon that are about to go into the Cure 55 moulds.
Can't believe 18 months ago we're designing and now here we're ready to infuse the first parts.
Mate, I think that's the absolute beauty about dreaming up any type of adventuring equipment. You know, it all starts as an idea in our heads. We transfer it into the digital space, we draw it in CAD, we review it, we change it.
Yep.
We keep dreaming about how we're going to use it. But I guess it's this moment here where you get the tooling or the first jig, and I can only imagine what type of stories this boat is going to tell for you, mate, and your wife over the next few years, mate, as this thing starts an adventure around the world.
I can't believe this is my first hull going to be going down in just a few days, so I'm super excited.
One of the favourite bits about this boat is the bow section, probably even the engineering on how we've got the whole bow section happening with the full beam, the longeron, all built into this main bridge deck structure. It's absolutely awesome. I can't get enough of getting up on here and having a good look around.
The strength is already built into it in the first infusion, and you can reduce weight as well at the same time, and it's going to look absolutely immaculate. I know tooling is essential with anything involved in carbon, particularly building boats, but how does that relate to building the Super Cub out of carbon? Did you have tooling for the Carbon Cub?
Mate, I think, you know, there's all facets of tooling and how you arrive to get certain shapes. You know, it's the awesome thing about composites and carbon fibre. We can create whatever shapes we think about. We talk about
design techniques and how we can do it better, stronger, faster, lighter, you name it. And hence this is what we've got here, quite a complex tool, but it's going to take so much work out of the build process.
Yeah.
Because it's all done here. So Dave, you must be incredibly proud of what you and Ian have achieved here at Cure Marine.
Every morning I wake up so thankful that we get to come into work, we all get to hang out, we build awesome pieces of equipment out of this material, carbon fibre, which, you know, 20, 30 years ago, maybe we didn't have these types of materials, maybe we didn't have all of these pieces of equipment, but today we do, and it's just such an exciting time.
Yeah, it's a childhood dream come true.